Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Now the father this access, this
FCMB, my one brand. FCMB, my one brand. FCMB, my one.
That just died.
FCMB, my one.
Just died. That's because the bank refused him access to his money.
Yes, FCMB, my one.
Now they refuse opening this bank.
Yes, they have refused to open the bank. Up till now, the man is dead.
The man is dead outside.
The man came here on Friday.
The man came on Friday.
Begging them to give money so they can go and treat him.
For him to receive treatment. The man just died here in front of the bank. He's in the taxi.
I thought it be. Why? You reach everybody. That's the country be. Why? Why being wicked? Why? Why you people wicked? Why? I mean, I mean, talk to you.
She just lost her husband.
Don't go there. Don't go.
Just lost her husband in front of the
If you want
bank.
to leave, you leave. But if you don't want to leave, stay there. If they do nonsense, I'll see this. I'll see this.
This FCMB at education.
My brother came on Friday. He met here. On Friday. He saw like sick, very, very down. He came to gain access to his father's account. In order to take him to the clinic, they asked him to come with him. They call him. And they come and see him. So that they will take him to they refuse. Now the man is there.
He died outside. Enter inside the door closer. Enter inside. Enter the door closer. Enter inside.
Come here. Oh, Jesus. God, is very
Sorry, sorry.
This boy has been hurting too much.
Sorry.
I was there.
Sorry.
It's very lovely. Very bad.
FCMB.
With much money when they carry them.
Just like the taxi. That's the taxi. Yes, but they refuse him access to his money.
With much money.
Try.
Just to come and capture the man fingerprint and give the man his money. Very simple.
Oh, this is really painful. Oh, sorry, stand up. Sorry.
See
them inside the bank.
Look at them.
See them.
You have already there. Look at them inside the bank. Look at them. They are there.
All of
They are there.
you remain there. You can't come out. It's obvious you can't come out.
You are wicked. You are wicked. You are wicked.
Wait, come out, make this thing, make it.
Let them come out. Let them stay there. Let them stay there. Let them be there. Let them come and eat him.
Come and eat. They will eat that dead body. You want dead body? Come and carry
They
dead
will
body.
eat dead body.
Come and carry dead body. Come and carry dead body. If you know protocols, if you have value for life, you won't have done what you did. People don't have value for life. Value is dead.
Look at this.
It's on Friday. He came. They didn't give him his money. He didn't get his money. They refused him access to his money. Is that fair?
No value.
They don't even have value for human life.
Oh,
The people don't do it. Look at me. Since they have said make a sign, I don't sign, say they don't pay. Okay, give me the money. They say that I will go to court. That's paid. Because of H and the K.
It's okay. Sorry.
This one be H is the last. The other name they K last. Enoch. They say I should go to court to bring the court activity before they will do me.
it's not like
They can't take that. If you say make a sign, I sign. But I
Sorry.
But they send me where they send me.
He's strong. I like
if you
him.
don't buy that money, they don't chop her. Leave this door. Leave this door.
Nobody they come out when they go inside.
Leave this door.
I like.
Leave it
And they're very heartless set of people. You go reach everybody. You go reach there. Even if I take 20 years, they go see that. One day, you go see reach there.
They go see them for that. You're wicked. Don't see.
woman, you people will sue them so that they will
Sue them, make them know all of them when they inside
Yes,
here.
that's what you do.
All of them when they inside here.
Your negligence killed your father.
Never. No, petrol and loans.
That money,
You people will petrol your nose, your money. For your
and
money.
it's only your brother saying that they will bring that money without signature. I'm very wicked. They will pay your money.
So we pay you.
It's as simple as that.
This guy gave Sicily, oh. He came on.
Only to just from there, come to motor and snap person.
Let them just capture him.
When was that without people finding their dead bodies? For what? They don't lock them. They don't keep person. They don't keep person. They don't lock them. They don't keep person. They don't lock them. Yeah, they don't lock them. The boy they did right.
He's strong. He just he's a man. Like he's very strong.
He's very strong.
Very strong. Even after even take him to the mortuary, there is no money. There is no money. Mortuary.
There's no money. There is not the money that is in his account that is used to.
Okay, sorry.
The man was vomiting. Oh, me, I thought it's another receipt down very well. From vomiting, this phone started coming out of his mouth. Before you know, he just died. Meanwhile, his money is in account. The money that you use to save his life is in account. People are very wicked. This life, the account now.
You're the one that killed him, yes. It's your bank that killed him. It's your bank that killed him. Please talk to me. Please talk to me. It's FCMB, yes.
It's FCMB.
That's the worst bank so far.
The worst bank so far in this world is FCMB. I have the FCMB account.
I can understand.
Very careless of people.
FCMB is the worst bank. Let me give you the detail.
Please go ahead.
Come here.
Okay, that's what so
Last week.
Yes. Okay.
Now we now bring the man for more than 3 hours. More than 3 hours. I say more than 3 hours. Listen to me. We are here. They know bank is in
Court is not in section. So that's true.
After when they come the second time, after the first time they come the second time, they see the man who was bleeding phone. Now agree that they will give us 60,000 naira.
How much?
60,000 naira. Okay. Now I have to call the boy. By the time the boy came to this place, the man is already dead.
Man is dead.
Money is at the bank.
Money, though.
It's at FCMB
The
account.
person talking is a driver that is taking them around since on Friday. That's the person online. That's the person live. This is the driver that has been taking them around. Now the beneficiary of the account, the owner of the account, is dead, lying dead. He has money in his account.
This man is the owner of this car. The man lying down there is the owner of this car. I'm not a driver from the same village. They deprived this man from his life. From Ilema. As a local government area. This is wickedness from SCMB.
We come on to go. The spirit. Money where you suffer. I don't feel they're not so good on the station. It's when they go to go with everybody. I'm not money. When I do process, you don't know the money. Drop the man. When I do process, this money makes the strong man carry fight and go hospital. We owe money.
The man died for his own money.
For his own money again. Not them follow me. Own money again. The money is not going to them. The man can't begin combo. The man can't begin come. The man can't begin come. This man come inside. Come inside. I don't get my come inside. This man go caught. I don't say cut to the instruction.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Was Swoby?